Hi, everyone. I am Maria Chris Wallace, and I'm also taking this class, HS 401 Community Health Methods, winter semester. So currently, I am taking Bachelor in Science Allied Health. So, as you can see in my picture, this is my son. He just turned one last December. And I was born and raised in the Philippines, so obviously I am a Filipino. So I finished my bachelor in business management in the Philippines, and I also served my mission uh, in the Philippines too. And this is my companion, so this is one of our area. And I got married in Dallas Temple 2 years ago, and this is the family of my husband. So uh I'm not going type and loves outdoor adventures too. So I like watching sci-fi, rom-com, Korean American drama series if I'm not busy. I also love cooking, and to be honest, I cook a lot at home, mostly Asian foods, but I am also like trying different kind of foods. And as you can see, this is one of my adventures, like bike zip, climbing in the mountains, and hiking. And my favorite verse is in Doctrine and Covenants, section 737, verse 4. It says, "Behold, here is wisdom, and let every man choose for himself until he can." So I know, even though I already had my bachelor degree in business, so I still continue, studying because I want, aside from, I want to further my education. Um, but I believe also that, education is a continuous process. So we need to continue learning. And then, so far I didn't have a public health experience yet, but my career goes to land a job as a health coach or educator, or, it depends where this course will take me in the future. I know that this course is very flexible. And what I hope to gain from this class, to gain knowledge, of course, and practical skills that the health promotion educator will use in a variety of settings. Thank you very much. Bye bye.